In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a language dictionary in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable table where you can store new words, their meanings, and example sentences, all in one place. First, open Notion in your browser and log in. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the button that says plus New Page. When the page options appear, choose Empty Page. This gives you a blank canvas without any preset structure, which is perfect for building a simple dictionary from scratch. At the very top of the blank page, click into the title area and get ready to add a table. In the body of the page, type /table, table. This shortcut opens Notion's database options. From the list that appears, click Table. Make sure you pick the basic table option, not table view or board, so you get a standalone database with rows and columns. A table will appear on your page. Let's give the page a name so it's easy to find later. Click the page title at the top and rename it to Language Dictionary. Now, let's structure the table. Click the title of the first column and rename it to Word. This will be where you enter the vocabulary item you're learning. Next, add a few more columns by clicking the plus icon to the right of your last column. Create a column called Meaning and set its property type to text. This lets you write a quick definition or translation. Add another column named Language and set its property type to Select. Select is helpful because you can pick from a consistent list of languages, which keeps your entries tidy and easy to filter later if you choose. Then add Example Sentence as a text column so you can write a sentence that shows how the word is used. Finally, add a Notes column, also set to text, for any extra details like synonyms, parts of speech, or pronunciation tips. Now, click the Language column and add a few options, such as English, Spanish, or Korean. You can always add more languages later, and you can choose colors for each option to make them stand out visually. You're ready to start filling your dictionary. Click New Row at the bottom of the table and begin adding words. Type the term in the word column, write a clear, brief meaning, pick the language from the list, add an example sentence that uses the word naturally, and jot down any notes you find helpful. Keep your formatting consistent, capitalization, punctuation, and style, so your dictionary stays readable over time. Notion saves your work automatically, so you can keep adding entries whenever you learn something new.